Pretty Amazing Beauty with Rebecca.
Amazing.
This is the Pretty Amazing. What a way to start the year. Why? Because like you said, it's target puffiness, under eye bag, and dark circles. Look on this clinical of this woman. She has been suffering about high bag puffiness. And no matter your gender, your skin types, there are so many reasons that can explain why I get some puffiness, dark circles, or eye bag. And because of that, we needed to come up with an amazing formulation with not using needles or a ton of concealers. And we find a magic recipe. And when you see this before and after, this is what we do. So I'm sure you're wondering, okay, there's a beautiful pictures before and after, but I came today with 2 models. And I came with a woman, Colleen, which I think I've been working for us and has been a lifesaver, these products. And you're going to see in a few minutes, she's applying the products. And we got Chris. Chris, it's a man. So again, the beauty of these products is for all skin type, no gender.
That. It doesn't matter. That's the thing, unisex, right?
Yeah,
so maybe
you
are genetically like your husband, your partner, maybe you're watching and you're like, I don't want to apply makeup, I don't want to apply concealer, when usually that actually accentuates it.
Exactly.
But this is for men and women.
Yeah, and I think we were showing Colleen, but Colleen, here, we're going to do a close-up. She already used the products on these eyes. She did it before. And I'm going to explain how we use the products. These products, you need to use an eye moisturizer first. So it's not a moisturizer. So then the beauty of it is you apply these products when it's completely dry. You're going to apply and you're going to use a small amount, a tiny amount of this peach color. The peach color, it helps to reduce the dark circles.
It's like a color correction almost, but it's not like strong like a makeup.
Yeah, and then after you take around your fingers, you're going to warm up. You're going to warm up. Yeah, look at it. And we applied the product. She did it when we started the show. And you can see after a few minutes already how she has been able to dip off the skin. So like I explained, and here, I want you to use a small, tiny amount. You're going to warm up with your fingers. And then after, when you apply the eye moisturizer, on top of that, you're going to pad. And that's very important to pad around your eyes. You're not going to rub. So, you know, you pad around the eyes.
Pad it in. That's what I did last night. I followed your rules.
When you do that very slowly until it's completely absorbed. And then this is where you're going to feel a cooling, a tightening sensation. It's going to minimize any sign of aging and it's going to dip off, make your skin, your around eye look brighter, rested free mostly, and that's the beauty of it. And when you love it, and in a few minutes you can see this instantly effects, and it's a long-term effect as well.
That's what I love, and it's clinically proven. The before and afters blew me away, but to know that an actual test went in the lab. And what I love about Dr. Brandt, if you want to just give a little backstory, is Dr. Brandt has been a leader in prestige skincare, and they all started, what, 30 years ago to give you results like this that you would normally get in a med spa, or if you went to the dermatologist, because they actually continue to innovate and work with dermatologists and develop these products so that you don't I mean, either supplement what you would spend hundreds or thousands on in a med spa, or
but this
give you real results at home.
This is our mission with Dr. Brandt. We're trying to take the doctor home with you. And every product needs to be a solution-driven. That was the promise of Dr. Brandt. We've been doing that above 25 years.
Wow.
Every product is dermatological tested, clinical proven. And also for these products, we do ophthalmologist tested, which is very important. Not everyone does. And most importantly, just to remind, and what Colleen has been trying, like you can see, I would like also to do a quick close-up on Chris. Chris is a guy, different skin type than a woman, but he's also having a lot of puffiness. So if we change the models and we look at Chris in a few minutes, you're going to see what Colleen, and it's a remarkable before and after. And when we're going to move to Chris, you're going to see, okay, how does it work with the different skin type? And let's look at Chris and let's do the close-up. Chris already applied the products, so we're going to do the close-up, and you're going to see how already you can see the puffiness that's happening on his eyes. And why? Because these products contain caffeine. Caffeine is perfect against inflammation. But also we have a film matrix technology with peptide. And what does it do is give you an invisible skin film that is going to tighten, smooth, minimize sign of aging, depuff, brighter the look. And this is what you can see. Look, the before and after. It's remarkable. And what I love about it, we come up with a ton of before and after that HSN selected for you, but I wanted to bring models that can show also the before and after in live.
In HD cameras.
Because this is our promise, this is what we do. We've been doing that for more than 25 years, and that's our promise. Take the doctor home with you, giving you some solution. So again, these products, $48. you get these 2 products for $39.
It's wild.
It's really the time of the year to please you, but maybe to give
a fresh
gift.
start, honestly. And I say yes,
I want you to enjoy with your friends, your family, your lovers, because like you said, no gender, no skin tone. There are so many reasons to have puffiness.
That's what I really love, because, you know, a lot of times, and we do, a lot of brands cater to the female, and there is a place for that. But this is for everyone. And I love that you can have that solution. So maybe you're sitting at home, you're a guy, and you're thinking, well, I don't want to wear makeup, and I'm just going to have to live with my genetically puffy eyes or my dark circles or whatever it might be. This is your opportunity to get a product home that has been clinically tested and proven to reduce puffiness, dark circles under your eyes. And now you're going to get incredible value. So what I really love about this is, if you went to the store right now, the beauty store, you would be spending $48 on each one. Today, it's $39 for 2 of the full size, free shipping and handling, and you get these results.
And 100%. Look the results. You have the dark circles and also under eye bag and puffiness. So 2 different results show you mostly a very beautiful level of results. But what I want to notify for people that are concerned, because we're always concerned, we're a Dr. Skincare line, we're daring, we're caring for our customers and our patients. This formulation have creatine-free, synthetic fragrance-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and that's very important because I know people pay attention. So
and
I can
reassure
you.
And the eyes can be very sensitive
and
as well.
Very sensitive as well. So I can reassure you it's completely safe, clinical proven, dermatological tested, and ophthalmologist tested. And the beauty of it, I really want to insist that because these products got so many awards, it became viral all over the world. But there
it's been over a year that we were even able to bring this back to HSN and give you 2 of the full size.
But there is sometimes controversy when you have so much success. And why? Because there's a misunderstanding how to use the product. So again, I want to insist.
How we do it?
Eye moisturizer you need to apply around your eyes. You can use any under eye that you're using as a moisturizer, and you can use ours if you want. But when you're done, you dry and you leave it, your waiting is dry. And then this is where the magic happens.
So
you
just
apply
a little drop.
A small peach, you're going to warm up with your fingers. And as you warm up for only 4 or 5 seconds, you're going to pad around your eyes until it's completely absorbed.
That's all you need.
And it's all you need, and you don't need more. So if you think about it, these products can be used in the morning. Obviously, you want to look fresh, you want to minimize any puffiness under eye bag or dark circles. But again, if you need to get out after a long day, you refresh yourself and you use the no more baggage. It's going to fresh and brighter you look, and you look like rested, and you're ready to look your best. And it's amazing.
Look at the difference. This is for men. This is for women. This is if you want to just walk out the door and feel confident in your own skin. If you have dry skin, oily skin combination, it's okay.
It's okay. It's for everyone. That's the beauty of it. And again, it's not an eye moisturizer. You apply your eye moisturizer, and then you can use. And like you said,
it's like a miracle
it's
in a
unisex.
Bottle.
It is.
For
it's like a
someone
miracle.
I struggle genetically with dark circles, and if you struggle with puffiness, like you could, you know, drink a lot of wine the night before, have a lot of sodium, and you wake up with puffy eyes. But some of us, it's just every single day.
That's why these products, like you said, it's exactly what you said, is universal. There are so many reasons. People lack of sleeps, and maybe happen once a while. I got puffiness, we got a solution. Genetically, some people get some puffiness, and should they live like this their whole life? No, we have a solution. You can look at your best.
And you
if
don't
you
have
feel
to apply
better,
makeup.
You look better.
Just apply this eye gel. No more baggage.
And look, Colleen, you know, she's been working with her, and when you look at what is the before and after that she's been playing, I wanted to make sure she can show what this product does for us. This is what we see. So there is so many reasons: lack of sleeps, eating too spicy, genetically, or aging also. We have a solution for people who doesn't want to use needles or to use a ton of concealers. Look, also this woman,
it's
she
like
came to us.
You
can see the before and after. So this is the beauty of it, and this is the promise of Dr. Brandt. Take the doctor home with you and give you a solution. But again, I'm going to insist again because, like you said, any magic products request education. So how you apply the products, you use a high moisturizer, you're going to use it and wait is completely dry. And then on top of it, this is where you can apply the no more baggage. And again, a small tiny. If you want to do the 2 products, because the technique is like this. You're using, you're warming up just for a few seconds. Then you got your 2 fingers, and this is now you can apply around your pads
on the skin after your moisturizer dries, and you're done.
And you're done, and you're completely done. If you want to use makeup on top, you can do it.
Dry,
you can still do it, or you can leave it like this. But me too, I can feel already the cooling.
When I applied this last night, I'll tell you, I was like, okay, I want to apply it. I want to see what it does. I have always a little bit of darkness or puffiness. I had some darkness last night. my skin looked flawless. In a matter of 5 minutes, I noticed a difference. It gave me confidence, like, I could just go walk out the door, when normally I always leave the house with at least a little bit of concealer on. So if that's you at home and you think, I've got the puffiness, I've got the dark under eye circles, this is your opportunity. I know if somebody comes up to you and says, are you tired? And you're like, no, I got a full 8 hours of sleep, because you have the under eye bags or you have that darkness. This will make it look like you actually slept for 8 hours. Yeah. Because we're giving you 2 full sizes and you're not spending $48 and $48, $96 on both, you're getting this home for less than the price of one. This is better than a buy one, get one. Today is the final day of free shipping and handling. So this is risk-free in a sense that if you want to get this home on Flex today for $13, free shipping and handling, you have 30 days. Think of maybe somebody you want to gift this to. Maybe it's one for you, one for your spouse, because remember, this is unisex. Doesn't matter your skin tone, it's not makeup, it is just a powerful skincare result that was developed alongside actual dermatologists and then tested in a lab and clinically proven.
Proven and ophthalmology tested, is completely safe, and again, no creatine-free, synthetic fragrance-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free.
Love
so
that.
it's really your time. You can share these miracle products, and like I explained, use the eye moisturizer first, and then you can apply the products.
This is going to last me forever, because you just use the teeniest amount.
And I want to insist also, again, we have 2 models again, and I think for people who joined the show, we got Colleen and Chris, 2 different models, different skin type, 1 woman, 1 also a man, and look how it works, the before and after on each of them, and that's pretty exceptional, and this is what we love to share. This is our passion. We have been doing that for 25 years. We are a private-owned company. We don't have to do what we don't want to do, and that's makes us, I think, more unique than ever, because nowadays, you know, a lot of things people get purchased, but we're still breathing and living the soul of Dr. Brandt and his legacy, and this is what we do every day. So this is our promise today. We give you a solution. I hope you're going to enjoy. It's $39 instead of $48 for 1 product. You get 2 products for $39. And when you look this before and after, like you see with Colleen,
it's wild. You don't even need the with or without sign.
Really something, and make me so happy. And again, we're here for you, for HSN customers. We love your feedback, your insights, and again, I want you to use the products properly. So you use the eye moisturizer, and on top of it, you will use the normal baggage. And last but not least, I think, how is it possible? You're still questioning yourself?
Yeah.
The magic is, that's what we do the best. It's mixed dermaceutical ingredients in botanical in a very strong delivery system. Okay. And the way we customize here, you get caffeine. Everyone knows caffeine is good against any inflammation. Right. It's going to minimize inflammation. But on top of that, we got Filmatrix technology. It's a mix of plants, of algae, but also with peptide that provide an invisible second skin film that will give you this tightening and cooling effect that is going to minimize the sign of aging, the wrinkling around the eyes, and is going to open your look, making brighter and darker. And the clinical
the clinical test
under eye bag and puffiness. You can see after 2 weeks, 4 weeks, you're already fully pleased on the long-term results. And
I love instant, but I want long-term as well. And so what a clinical is, and I want everyone just to understand, you know, we first of all have very tough restrictions and guidelines that we have when we bring in brands here to HSN. We want to bring you the best of the best, but brands going above and beyond to get tests done by a third-party lab to actually prove that what the product says it's going to do, it's actually doing. That is what you're getting. So it's not just our opinion, and it's not just what you're seeing with before and after. These are measured, tested results that prove it. So you get instant results in the appearance and improvement of dark circles in just 2 minutes, 100% improvement. And then when it comes to puffiness and those under eye bags, you're also seeing that 100% instant result, but then you also get pretty impressive long-term results in the 97% range, in the 93%. So to even be able to do that, usually a product does one or the other, instant or long-term.
I agree, and at the end of the day, every product can act differently depending on each individual. So that's why you can see the before and after on pictures we selected, looks a little bit different, but you can see results. And today I brought 2 models, a man and a woman, and you can see. So when you see Colleen and you see Chris today, you can see truly the results. And like you said, this is what we do. We've been doing that for 25 years. We're passionate about what we do. We want to provide a solution. We want you to take the doctor home with you. This is what we we're doing. This is our mission statements, and we have so many products in our portfolio that I wish I could bring. And I hope I'm going to bring more products.
This one really is one, I can't wait for you to bring more of Dr. Brandt. They've been doing it for 25 years. This brand started, since 1995, inspired by in-office procedures. So
and look at it,
you get to take the doctor home and get this before and after.
Different skin age.
One product.
Is around the 50s. This person is close of the 30s, and you still see
That's
can
just
enjoy
one
the products.
application. So that's instant.
Exactly. No matter your age, your gender, your lifestyles, there are so many reasons that can explain why you're suffering about darker under eye bag, dark circles, and this is what this product is going to help you to provide a solution on a daily basis. You look better, you feel better. This is what we want you, and we want you to bring the best products that fit with your skincare regimen. And I think this one is so easy because it can be an additional that come very easily on your skincare regimen. So use what you're using with your eye products, and you can use this on the top,
routine,
and you get the solution.
Exactly. So what would you pay for confidence, right? It's confidence in a bottle. If you've got the puffiness, the under eye bags, the genetic dark circles, this right here is a game changer. But do not, please, today, do not go to the beauty store on the .com or get it for full price. $48, $48 today for less than the price of one. $39. We're going to give you 2 of the full sizes. Free shipping. You don't pay a cent for shipping and handling, and you have 30 days to try it. We told you you're going to see results the second you put it on, within 2 minutes. And you're going to see long-term over time. You have 30 days to try this. Get it home for $13.
Yeah, $13.
Honestly?
What's right?
Oh, no, I have it. Oh, $9. And $9 and change.
$9.
Oh, wait, no. We have the wrong graphic.
No, you have the wrong. It's $39.
$48
is the single product on the retail everywhere. You get for $39, you get the 2, and that's the beauty of it. So it's time to share. It's the beginning of the year. You can enjoy. You get a solution.
Keep one for yourself. Gift one.
Yeah, give one. And friends, family, your lovers, your partners. But you get something very unique, very special that works. And I think this is the beauty of these products.
Yes. We have an update. Okay. So you may have saw the graphic as we went through the presentation that said that there was shipping, but I want to just remind you, it's free shipping. So anybody that got it in their cart, we take care of it. You don't have to call us back. You have free shipping and handling until midnight. You have 1 minute. This is final call. It's been over a year since we had this product for you. This is Dr. Brandt Prestige brand. It's an in-office treatment that you get to get at home. Full price at the store, $48 each. Today, for less than the price of one, $39, you're getting both full sizes. That's $13 free shipping and handling to get home and help actually find a product that's going to improve the look of your dark circles and clinically tested as well to get rid of that puffiness and reduce the look of those under eye bags that you've struggled with maybe your whole life. I know that this can really be a confidence killer for so many of us, and I personally understand what that feels like.
And I love the free shipping because you allow us to come to your home like a doctor will come to you. So again, she's giving you the lapse time. Look at this person and look what is happening after 2-3 minutes. And usually it lasts to get the maximum around 10 minutes. But this is what you can get, and obviously you get better over time. Like you said, you use in the morning and you can use at night. If you get out, that's the best way to refresh. You show a rested look and feel, and brighter you look. And last but not least, I think we love to finish with our 2 models to thank them to be there. But Chris and Colleen, thank you, because I think you reflect exactly what this product can do. It's for everyone.
I love that. And I can't say that about every product. So thank you so much,
thanks,
Stephane.
Rebecca. It was
so
a
great
pleasure.
to have you.
To kiss in
okay, that's right.
That's the way we do.
That's right. Thank you so much.
You so
and congratulations that you're getting this home. This is our weekly deal drop, so get it before we sell out. By the way, do you want to take $15 off and get it home for, let's do the math. Can you do the math for me, Rocky? Because I can't think that fast. $24 would get the 2 home instead of $96 if you sign up for the HSN credit card and take advantage of the $15 that we're giving you. And remember, all beauty until midnight today is on free shipping. So I'm so happy you're watching. Make sure that you're taking advantage of that HSN card. We give you so many perks throughout not only the year, but every week. I feel like